Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to set alarm on Redmi A5. So to do this, you have just to swipe up and after that go to clock. And here in clock, you should go to the first option, click on it on the top of the screen, and after that you have like three options, pre-made options. And if you want to create a new alarm, you click on the plus on the bottom of the screen, and after that choose like the time of the alarm. For example, if you want it 6:30, and you choose the ringtone of the alarm, and if you want it to be repeated like daily or Monday to Friday or custom, and if you want the phone you to vibrate while like the alarm sounds, and also if you want to put a name to that alarm, for example I will call it test, click OK after that and click on the like right icon on the top right of the screen, and as you can see this alarm is already set and it will be once in tomorrow, or sorry, today at 6:30 p.m. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.